ke hakoi.
Tau se he. Tau toe e whakamea. Tola he pupu wawa, he whakakilalo i ko. When you look down there, you know those sugar cane? Lots. And it's like bush. So I'm clearing them. Put them here in the rubbish. So now John, there's quite a lot. So what I'm doing is cleaning this sugar cane so I can take it to the Niue show day tomorrow. We're kickstarting the Pule Whakamotu at the bowling club in Mangere. So I've asked the Niue community if you have taros growing in your backyard or any plants that you plant, bring them in and let's showcase our what do you call those taros, anything, kumra, whatever you plant in your garden. So to support the day tomorrow in Mangere, I've decided to clean out those sugar cane because they're growing so just like a bush. So here I am cleaning this sugar cane. There's a lot of sugar cane down the road to our house. You see? First time I have to clean those. Look, I should have cleaned them, but my teeth are no good to eat them, to chew them. Because in Niue too, you have sugar cane is part of a way of making sure your teeth are clean and strong and healthy by chewing sugar cane.
Yeah.
If you look at it, right?
Yeah. This is the traditional treats, eh? Oh, toothbrush.
Cleaning. You don't need Colgate.
Yeah.
Just chew the sugar cane.
Oh. Okay.
Because sugar cane don't leave a mark on your teeth, right? So I'm just clearing it. Give me an excuse now. Because there's quite a lot of sugar cane.
Yeah.
And it's just growing. I don't have to.
Funny, eh? Ko hingoa ko sugar cane, but you use it to clean your teeth.
Oh yes.
Usually sugar's not good for the teeth.
That's right.
Wow.
Chỉ có loi tàu tốt.
Yeah.
But see, we neglected. We didn't normally before.
Yeah.
We maintained, tied up.
Yeah.
Okay, look straight. Tàu hana. Sorry for my money, my tàu tốt.
Yeah.
Tàu tốt. Tàu tốt ai kêu cái xì vào bông. Thì cái mana tốt. Cái tốt. Hỏi tàu tốt ra hệ bùa hệ câu hệ fence kì.
Yeah.
Long à, hãy.
Oh, home we ngô hoa ho.
Ai.
Mafisi. Hey.
Họ sẽ hot xe mà nào. Họ sẽ hot xe mà nào vậy vì tao mấy tu. Tao tô hay như này la luôn cái phù mấy cái tao mấy cái này. Rồi mà cho này hao cái lòng mà tới.
No,
Có
it's stupid.
They Ohui. We went for a walk earlier in the morning. So we came back. So I decided, okay, I'll go and get some sugar cane, get ready for tomorrow. The Niue community in Mangere is at the bowling club, no, it can't be Messi Road. Bowling club in Mangere.
Yeah.
Yeah, it starts at 11 to 4 tomorrow. So if you're not doing anything, it's good to be involved with our community. So yes, do come along. You must see and when you come, you vote for my sugar cane. Mua sugar cane đâu bên đi. Cái đâu sugar cane tôi bên đi ha, phải mua. Sự quả ấy thì là hết tao mà sẽ phải không, sự quả hết cái vào liều ní tụt mấy phút, they start growing again. So see, yep. So I thought, I'll do it. Hey, I love to take a hug. Okay. Ngấu.
Yeah.
Cả người ta hay men là phô cái ăn thing. Ai thì men kêu cái ngấu cùng một khu luôn đây tôi nếp phải tôi phải. So, ấy ạ.
Phải gọi.
Rồi là hi vasan.
Phải gọi.